Hello friends, today I will make Thai basil fried rice with chicken and shrimp and fried egg. And as you can see, this fried rice looks really amazing, and this homemade fried rice packed with flavors of basil and various sauces tastes exactly the same you would get in a restaurant. It's quick and so easy and tastes just amazing, and this is one of my favorites. So let me quickly get started. So I'm using here onion, red bell peppers, red chilies, garlic, lots of basil, fresh basil leaves, protein of your choice. I'm using here today chicken and shrimp and going to marinate it with fish sauce. So now quickly I'm going to make the stir fry sauce. I'm using here light soy sauce, oyster sauce, fish sauce, and finally little dash of sugar, and mix everything well. For the rice, I'm using a day-old cooked rice, salt to taste, and eggs. So in a hot pan, I'm using enough oil to shallow fry the eggs. These eggs are going to be really crispy once you can see that the sides of the egg starts to become crispy. This is the time I'm going to drain the excess oil and I'm going to season it with little bit of salt and keep it aside. So now it's time to stir fry. I'm using the same oil in which I had fried the eggs, just using few tablespoons in the pan, and I'm going to add the garlic in the hot oil. Note that I'm keeping the flame in high while stir frying. Once the garlic starts to turn light golden brown, I'm adding the onions and going to fry the onions for some time until the color changes to light brown. Now adding the red bell peppers, the chilies, and finally lots of fresh basil leaves, which will make the flavor amazing. Stir frying everything together for 1 to 2 minutes and then adding the cooked rice, mixing the rice and the vegetables together, and finally adding the stir fry sauce, adding salt to taste, mixing everything well. Now adding the marinated protein into the rice. Note that as this protein is marinated for half an hour, it is completely soft and it's not going to take much time to cook. But if you want, you can also add the protein before adding the rice. Mixing everything in high flame and giving it a good stir fry for some time until the protein turns white. So finally, the Thai basil fried rice is ready. This is completely a new level of the classic Thai basil fried rice you could ever make at home. I am going to serve it with few slices of cucumbers and a lime wedge to squeeze in the rice when having it. Also, 1 fried egg per person. Wouldn't that be great? So comment below to let me know how was it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Soumiz World if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon. Until next time, bye bye.